Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Great and fabulous finds, especially if you like card making. These are ink pads, the mini ink pads. There are a set of four, and there's four different colors. And this is the mix paper pad. I show this a little bit better in a picture later on so you get a little better look at them. And this is the paper craft set. It has a set of items. Oh, I love that paper with the ice cream on it. Great for birthdays. And these are stamps. They have a sunflower, which is gorgeous, a rainbow. Let's see, the VW van, something like back in the day, embossing stickers to put on the car. They even have note cards. Can you believe it? And I wanted to show you the ink pads more in depth. They're professional quality, water-based ink, non-toxic. The green family have exotic plant, I love veggies, mindful mint, and spinach shake. And then the blue family, we have delightful, tidy mind, Scandinavian blue, and winter coat. In the pink family, we have sweet frosting, my favorite color, spandex leggies, and confidence is cut off, sorry. Then in the kind of yellow orange family, we have sunshade, fruit cocktail, henna honey, and sour berries. Okay, on these, the mixed paper set is luxurious. It has like leaves, gold, kind of glitters, stars. This kind of like dots, flowers. It kind of looks like corn, but I don't know if it's just not corn. And a floral print design. And then the next pack, it has hearts, kind of like a copper color, a mint stripes, pink, brown, different colors for you to enjoy. Okay, the paper craft set entails 2 die-cut papers, 2 8.5 by 11 double-sided paper pattern, 2 5 by 8-ish double-sided pattern paper. Then it has 8 paper tacks. And then we have 1 sticker sheet, 1 rope, and banners. So this is a nice little starter set. This one it says with foil, and it has the same combination of items, but it has a different pattern for you to choose from. So many wonderful patterns to choose from. On this one, it's kind of like black and gold. It has silver foil as well. Sticker sheet, rope and banners. So, and was it cats? So you can enjoy this one. And for all you nautical fans out there, this paper pack has kind of like the nautical theme, like deep sea, rustic, sunken treasure type of look, like the rustic barrel and the hook, anchor, I mean. And then it has like seashells, kind of like an ocean print. So this one has the nautical theme. So if you like that, this is the one for you. I think it might have been a few more like paper packs, but these are the main ones I decided to show you. These are embossed stickers, and this one's kind of like our garden honey, gloves, the spoon, butterflies, flowers. Awesome. You can create wonderful cards with these. This is another embossed stickers. Has like a dream catcher, ink, safety pin. Crafting is my therapy. And I guess it's this kind of items that you use if you're crafting. The wax seal, ink, paintbrush, planner. This one seems kind of like floral plants, like a Sunday, not a Sunday, like a Sunday evening or Saturday afternoon with the music record player and a basket and a lantern, the butterflies and the bees, just relaxing. And this one is fabulous if you want to create just a simple birthday. They have birthday cake, happy birthday, a bicycle, a cupcake, a slice of cake, and numbers, and a few balloons. Just nice and simple and to the point. Now, this is another kind of nautical one. It says ahoy as a ship. Is that a bunny rabbit or anchor? It looks like a shark and a ship. So it's another way to create with a slightly different take to the nautical theme. And on the sides, you can see the cards, the black and white. So you can use those as your base cards. And let me know if you would like me to do a series making cards using these items. Let me know, all right, in the comment section down below. Now we have vellum paper. It is gorgeous. It's butterflies. The background is white, and we have red and gold butterflies, and I can use that background for making the cards as well. So just a reminder, don't forget to let me know. Well, Crafter Square has updated their silicone coaster molds. You see these 3 different ones. Awesome. The heart, the kind of wave, and circle ones. So for you to enjoy. I think that was the 3 that I seen. And I just wanted to show you they have paper flowers again, kind of the pink and orange and the kind of mint green and blue kind of colors, 35 pieces, perfect for making with the cards. And then we have these assorted wood shapes. These are small stars. They look about, what, 1 inch or inch and a half, is somewhere around there. And then they have kind of like a wave, circle kind of flower. You probably can create a flower out of those. And those are the 2 that I found, the stars and kind of the flower-like. So they've really bringing more new stuff in the Crafter Square. Then we have the artist canvas. And these are kind of like mini canvas. You see from the size of my hand, that's a triangle. And this one's a hectagon. And then what else we have? We have a circle. See, they're not very big. It's part of the size of my hand. And a heart. Oops, I do pick it up. Yes, I do. Give me a second. And I do show this, but after I put down the camera, the phone, while I'm recording, I do. And this is another wood frame. I think it was last week I showed you 2 different ones, and they had one more that I seen, and these are great. You can use these with cards too. You have to be careful because they are a little heavier, but if you want to for a frame. And then when speaking of putting it together, if you need a glue stick, this is a name brand glue stick. I've heard of it before. It's a small amount, so if it may be like a travel size, or if you just want to test it out and see if it's any good, it says it's heavy duty. Believe it or not, Dollar Tree has chopsticks. It's a set of 2 chopsticks in each package. We have the Ninja, is it Baoba? Sorry if I mispronounce it. Mushroom and Sushi Time. These are bamboo chopsticks. And you know what? They remind me of Daiso's chopsticks. When I've been to their store, these are kind of like exactly like the ones that you can get from Daiso. Check out my Daiso hauls. Like, whoa, drink bags with straws. Can you believe it? There's 5 in a pack, 5 straws. So there's a bag, you can stick the straw in there and drink whatever liquid that you feel that you want to try. It's always probably best to start off with water. Yes, stay hydrated first before you move to any other drinks. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. I only have one plus size item today, and it is a Christmas tree, 6-foot Christmas tree at the price of $20. And you have 2 colors to choose from. You have the standard green tree, or you can do a little pop with the white tree. And just thinking of all the items that you can purchase at Dollar Tree to decorate your lovely tree. I should be a sponsor. They should sponsor me, right? Yes, I think so too. Well, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and send me a message. Let me know what's your favorite item, which item you're trying to look for. Just let us know everything. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.